If we want to multiply any number by 9, 99, 999 or etc., then it is a trick. 99 into 53 equals to, we can write is like this, 100 minus 1 into 53, and this is equal to 5300 minus 53 equals to 5247. If we take the number 735 and we can multiply by 999 equals to, we can write like this, 1000 minus 1 into 735, and then simplify like this. This is a trick. The question is that, is the number is divisible by 3? How can you say that we take we sum all numbers of digits, and if the number is divisible by 3, then it will be divisible by 3. Then we take a number 153. The sum of the digits is 1 plus 5 plus 3 equals to 9, and 9 is divisible by 3. So 153 is divisible by 3. Let's take another example, 718. The sum of the digits is 7 plus 1 plus 8 equals to 16, which is not divisible by 3. So our answer is the number 718 is not divisible by 3. Let's take another example. Is the number divisible by 11? Then what will we do? We take the number of sums at the odd place and the number of sums at number of digits at the even place and sum them, and number of odd terms and sum them and subtract them, and the number is 0 or multiplicative of 11, then the number is divisible by 11. Let's take example and do that. Let's take number 1 to 1. So the alternative of 1 and 1. 1 plus 1 equals to 2, and at the even part the sum is 2. So 2 minus 2 equals to 0, which is 0 or multiplication by 11. So the answer is the number 121 is divisible by 11. Let's take another number, 65462551. The number, so the sum of 6 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1 equals to 13, and the sum of 5 plus 6 plus 5 equals to 16. 16 minus 13 equals to 3, which is not divisible by 11. So the number 6546251, it is not divisible by 11. Let's take another example. Is the number divisible by 4? So what will we do? We have any number like 1564. If the number is divisible by 4, then the last two digit must be divisible by 4. So 64 by 4 equals to 16, and so 1564 is divisible by 4. Let's take another example, 3512. If the number is divisible by 4, then the 23 should be divisible by 4, but 23 is not divisible by 4. So the number 35123 is not divisible by 4. Another thing, is the number divisible by 8? If you let's take an example, 156512. If the number is divisible by 3, then the last three digit must be divisible by 8, and the number is 156512, and the last three digit is 512. 512 divided by 8 equals to 64, means this number is divisible by 8. So 156512 is divisible by 8. Let's take another example, 156423148. So if the number is divisible by 8, then 148 should be divisible by 8, but 148 by 8 equals to 1 and 4 point something. It's not divisible by 8, so the whole number is not divisible by 8. If the number is divisible by 5, then its units digit is 5 or 0. No other possibilities has come. So let's take number 1216. Its unit digit is 6, which is not 5 or 0. So this number is not divisible by 5. And let's take another number 12050510. Then the unit digit is 0. So this number is divisible by 5. Thank you very much.